I have been decorating mason jars for years on my channel. I just love them. I think they're great for decor. I think they're also great for gift giving. So idea alert out there, if you need to give a gift for your child's teacher, just a coworker, a neighbor, just for anybody, these are going to be really cute for that. And the options to kind of put inside of them are going to be endless, obviously, if they can fit in here. But the first one is so easy, no hot glue gun required, nothing required, but a Dollar Tree mason jar and then the Dollar Tree bracelets. And as you saw, I just put one around the top and filled it with some heart-shaped candies also from the Dollar Tree, and it was that easy. $2, not including what you want to fill inside the mason jars. So I'm just going to speak to the value of just the mason jar itself. Number 2 is probably my favorite. I am going to remind you guys to vote at the end of this video because I really want to know which one's your favorite. So number 2 is kind of a cute little alien jar. I saw this headband at Dollar Tree and I instantly thought of deconstructing it and putting it on top of a mason jar. So this one, of all the jars, did take a little bit extra time just because you have to hold the little heart antennas until the hot glue hardens, which takes anywhere about 2-ish, 3 minutes. So you do kind of have to like hold them there, but they do end up staying really well as soon as the hot glue hardens. And then I took the little, whatever that other stuff is called, and I wrapped it around, and is it not adorable? I have to say, number 2 is probably my favorite. But that's pretty much it. It cost $2, $1 for the headband, $1 for the mason jar, and that's pretty much it. This was the only color I saw at Dollar Tree, was the hot pink. Number 3 is so cute. I kind of go back and forth between number 2 and number 3, but this one's just so beautiful. It can be both a decor piece and it can also be just a really beautiful gift piece. You could obviously put candy, you could fill up bath bombs or a gift card. But yeah, it's just so beautiful, and all of these things are from Dollar Tree. This one cost a little bit more because there were extra materials, but I also had extra material left. So, you know, it's kind of hard to say how much this mason jar really cost, but I just take a piece of burlap, hot glue it around, and then I'm going to secure a Dollar Tree foam heart sticker on top. Now, because I had added a little piece of glue to the glass, you could see the little bubble, but I added a second layer of the red heart and it covered it up pretty well. And they have these hearts in pink and hot pink, so if red isn't like your Valentine's Day color, there are other options obviously for you, or you could double layer and add like a thinner ribbon, and so that you could kind of see the back of the burlap and then maybe the other ribbon, if that makes sense. And then I had to do this off camera just because it was a little bit difficult from the angle that I was filming at, but I just took this Dollar Tree ribbon with the red little mini hearts and I just tied it in a bow. So if you need to put something in there to give a gift, you want to put that in there first, because then the person will have to just untie the bow. And that is it, you guys. It is so cute. Again, like 2 and 3 are so adorable. I love them. So I think this one, if I had to count for each item, I think it's what, $4? 1, 2, 3, yeah, $4. This mason jar is going to be great if you don't really feel like you're great at, you know, crafts and DIYs, but you want to do something. This one couldn't have been any easier than number 1. This garland actually came from Dollar General, but it was $1, so it's comparable to Dollar Tree. And I just took apart one heart, wrapped it, and tied it around the top, and there you go. You could instantly fill this with candy and all kinds of goodies, lollipops, and you have yourself a little gift if you need to give one. Number 5 is really, really cute and fun. So what I did with this one was I took a welcome sign from Dollar Tree and I cut up the letters individually. This one's going to be particularly great for teachers, or if you want to personalize the jar. Now, obviously, I was trying to do this with the easiest concept of using a letter C that was already decorated, you know, for a teacher where her last name starts with a C, you know, or O for Owens, M for Matthews kind of thing, E for Edwards. So if your child's teacher doesn't have any letters from the welcome sign, you could always just paint over it and then paint on like your own letter if you need to do that. So you can customize these already painted letters, but hey, if your teacher already has a letter that's in that welcome sign, easy peasy, right? I just took some string from the dollar spot at Target, and then I secured the little heart to underneath, and that's it, you guys. How adorable is that? So this one cost $3, but again, I still have a bunch of heart letters left, and I have the ribbon left, so I could make multiple jars if I needed to, again, depending on what letters I need to use. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please vote which one's your favorite with whatever number was associated to the jar, and I would love to see like which one's your favorite. I have to say, for me, I don't know, two and 3 are just really adorable. But that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I have so many DIYs. I know you've been asking for this, but I want to do so much spring stuff, so I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm gonna add to my house, and I'll see you for another video. Bye, guys.